In this video, you'll learn about some of the features of the TrendTimer My Strategies screen. To visit the My Strategies screen, you click on the My Strategies button in the menu bar. The My Strategies screen is used for a variety of tasks. For example, you can manage your saved strategies, search for and download new strategies on the TrendTimer.com website, cross-test strategies, create combined strategies, and flag strategies to be included in the nightly email. I'll quickly review some of these features, starting with the Choose Strategies box in the top left corner of the screen. The Choose Strategies box allows you to view strategies that you have saved and review some of the ready-to-use strategies included with the TrendTimer software. When you're on the testing screen and save a strategy, it gets saved to the My Strategies folder, so you can review these by clicking on the My Strategies item in the list. I can click the link to load any of these previously saved strategies. There are some additional folders containing combined strategies, strategies prepared for use in the My Allocations tool, and there are also some lists of ready-to-use strategies that are included with TrendTimer. So we have strategies for the NASDAQ 100, S&P 100, and S&P 500 companies. Next, there are some controls for selecting strategies, deleting strategies, and updating strategies. The strategies you save need to be manually updated in order to receive the most current buy and sell signals. So for example, I can click the box to select all of these strategies, and then click the Update button. Notice how the Updated To column now shows the current date. To delete a strategy, you click the checkbox next to the strategy, and then press the Delete button. Next, I'll show you the cross-testing box. Cross-testing allows you to test how well a strategy's parameters perform when used with other lists of stocks. It's helpful to know this because a strategy that is successful regardless of which stocks are used is more likely to perform well than a strategy that only works with a single selection of stocks. Let's perform 10 cross-tests for the Favorite One strategy using the NASDAQ 100 companies. When we run this test, TrendTimer will create 10 new strategies that use the same parameters as the Favorite One strategy, but will each use a different set of stocks chosen at random from the NASDAQ 100 list of companies. Our cross-testing is finished. To view the results, I can scroll the window to the right and view the number of cross-tests and cross-test percentage column. So in this example, we've created 10 cross-tests, and the average return is 20.88% above the buy and hold for the S&P. You can click on either link to view these cross-test results. So here are the 10 cross-test strategies, each of which is using a random list of stocks. If I scroll the window down, you can see that the average yearly compound return, also known as CAGR, is 29.77%. So that's very good. Since our strategy parameters have proven to work well using random lists of stocks, this helps provide a higher level of confidence that this is actually a good strategy that we may want to follow, and it didn't just get lucky when used with a single set of stocks. Underneath the cross-testing section, there is a Prepare Selected for My Allocations button. This button is used to prepare strategies for use within the My Allocations tool. This tool can be found by clicking on the My Allocations button in the top menu. The My Allocations tool helps you make decisions about how to diversify your investments by allowing you to simulate what results you would have received if you had split your money between multiple TrendTimer strategies. In this example, I've selected 3 TrendTimer strategies, and the results are displayed in the graph. The magenta, blue, and green lines represent the individual results for each of these strategies, and the yellow line represents the combined result. In order for a strategy to appear for use in the My Allocations tool, it must be prepared for use in the tool. To do this, first select the checkboxes for the strategies you'd like to prepare, and then click the Prepare Selected for My Allocations button. After the process completes, the strategies will appear in the My Allocations tool list. Within the Choose Strategies box, there is an Allocation Strategies item that you can click in order to review the list of strategies that have been prepared for use with the My Allocations tool. So if you'd like to remove any strategy from the My Allocations tool, you can select and delete. In the bottom left corner of the screen, there is a Combine Strategies section that allows you to create combined strategies. Combined strategies provide the combined result of up to 10 member strategies. We have another video that provides a detailed explanation of what combined strategies are and how they work, so we won't go into all the details within this video. To create a combined strategy, select up to 10 member strategies, and then click the Create Combined Strategy button. Give the strategy a name, choose the weights assigned to each member, and click the Save button. The results will be displayed after the combined strategy is created. A combined strategy in Members box is displayed, listing the combined strategy result, which is the first line displayed with a light blue background, followed by the results for each of the member strategies. Notice how the combined return of 33.67% for the combined strategy is higher than the return for any of the member strategies. You can also click the links to view the results for any of the member strategies. When you're done viewing the combined strategy, you need to click the Exit Combined Strategy Viewing button to revert TrendTimer to its normal state. Next, I'll show you how to flag strategies to be included in the nightly signals email. TrendTimer sends out a nightly email containing the buy and sell signals for any strategies you are following. This email allows you to easily know when you have trades to make without having to visit the TrendTimer application each day and manually checking the current signals. The nightly email will only contain strategies that you have flagged. To flag a strategy, first click on the My Strategies item in the Choose Strategies box in order to display the list of saved strategies. Next, click the checkboxes for any strategies you'd like to be included in the email. After selecting your strategies, click the blue envelope icon in the lower left corner of the screen. The blue envelope icon will then appear next to any strategies you have flagged. Finally, click the Sync Strategies to TrendTimer.com button in order to upload your flagged strategies to the TrendTimer servers. After the strategies are uploaded, they will begin appearing in the nightly email. In addition to receiving the nightly email, you may also view any flagged strategies online by clicking the View Strategies on Web button. A web page containing your list of strategies is displayed, and you can click the link to go to the Details page. The Details page contains all the strategy graphs and historical trade details that are found within the TrendTimer application. Having access to the nightly signals email and strategy pages online makes it easy for you to keep tabs on how your strategies are performing. This is especially helpful when you're away on vacation or do not have access to your desktop computer. We've covered most of the features of the My Strategies screen, but there's one additional item I'd like to show you. You can search for TrendTimer strategies by clicking on the Search tab. There are a number of fields you can use to limit the search results. So for example, if you want to display all the strategies containing Microsoft stock, you enter the symbol in the Fund field and then click the Search button. By default, the search is performed against the strategies saved to your local database. You may also click the TrendTimer.com Strategies radio button in order to search for strategies that are available on the TrendTimer.com servers. If you select Yes from the Graphs View drop-down, the results will be displayed with a graph which gives you a visual view of each strategy's performance. Thank you for watching. For more information about the TrendTimer software and service, please visit www.trendtimer.com.